Hey guys, welcome to another Alice lesson. Now in this lesson we're gonna go over on the last lesson for the Alice 2.3 learning series. Yay! Alright, so in this lesson we're gonna go over on dummy objects. So what a dummy object, if you remember from before, we talked about dummy cameras, on how dummy cameras were pre-oriented locations for cameras. And I might have mentioned something about dummy objects versus, like, you might place a camera around that dummy objects. Well, I was wrong, so yes, I'm sorry, I lied and I'm wrong, alright? But now I'm gonna teach you the right thing, okay? So what a dummy object is kind of similar to a dummy camera. A dummy object is a pre-oriented location. It can be for an object, a camera, anything, okay? Except the point of view is set by the object, okay? So a camera can go to there, or an object, but the point of view, the location, is set by an object, and it's always set by the center of the object. So for example, right here, you see, when we set a dummy object, it's not going to be up here in the head or down here at the feet. It's going to be somewhere right here in the middle, if I'm not mistaken. So let's see what happens. Drop dummy at the selected object. So let's select an object. Drop dummy. So I guess it does go at the feet actually. So that's weird. Usually it's somewhere up here. And now let's go add another dummy object. And drop one right there. I didn't select donkey, so I guess I have to go get rid of that. And remember, when you create dummy objects are right here, and it's best to rename them, so we'll call this angel feet. And then let's go click on donkey, and do drop dummy selected object. So there you go. So I guess it does place it at the feet. And dummy objects might not seem useful for cameras because it's not really meant to, but I mean, it's actually really nice for the object. So once you create an animation that makes the angel walk and all that, you can have the angel all the way up here and have them move there. So we'll do move to dummy objects, the angel feet. We want it to move the angel feet. Now let's see what happens. So basically it moves there. It moves in that location. So when you have an animation with the wings flapping, you can do a do together statement. Okay, and then you can put you can loop the amount of times the wing flaps, so maybe it could be 5 times, and then you can put the angel move to feet right here, and then at the same time it would flap its wings and move towards the dummy object. So it's actually really nice if you want the objects to move at certain locations. So again, this was a very short lesson. Hopefully it helped you guys a lot. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, or shoot me a PM. And since this is the last lesson of the Alice 2.3 learning series, if you guys have any suggestions for any learning series I should do, feel free to shoot me a PM or leave a comment about it, and I'll put it into consideration. So hopefully all these lessons taught you guys a lot. Remember, I taught you guys the basics. It wasn't meant to make you an immediate expert. It was just help you get to the basics, because it's a very basic program and you can get it all done within weeks. So again, very simple program. Hopefully the learning series helped you guys a lot. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or shoot me PM. Suggestions, same thing. So, rate, comment, subscribe, check out my blog, and I will see you guys later. Bye!